With this example, we are going to find the area of the rectangles. The formula is going to be A is equal to length times width. Let's start with the first one. So area is going to equal 4 plus root 6 times by 7 minus root 6. Now you notice there's one way we're going to have to tackle this problem, and that's with FOIL. FOIL, of course, stands for first, outside, inside, and last. So for the first step, what we're going to do is we're going to multiply 4 times 7 together. So 4 times 7, of course, is going to be 28. Then we're going to multiply the outside ones together. So that's going to be 4 times a negative root 6. So that's going to be negative 4 root 6. After that, you're going to multiply the inside terms together. That's going to be 7 times root 6. So that's going to be plus 7 root 6. And last but not least, you're going to multiply these last terms together. So you got a positive root 6 times by a negative root 6. That's going to be negative root 36. Okay. This, of course, is going to turn into a regular number because 36 is a perfect square. So that's going to be 28 minus 4 root 6 plus 7 root 6 minus 6. From here, all you need to do is collect your like terms. We have a couple whole numbers. We have a couple of radicals where the radicand is the same. So 28 minus 6, that's just going to be 22. And you have negative 4 root 6 plus 7 root 6. That's going to be a positive 3 root 6. Check to see if you can simplify it. This can't be simplified, so this here is your answer. For the next one, it is a perfect square, so what you're going to have is 2 root 18 minus root 27 times by 2 root 18 minus root 27, because all the sides are the same size. Now, problem we have here is these, when you multiply these radicands together in various stages of FOIL, are going to result in huge numbers. And if you can see it, you can actually simplify a lot of these. So let's do that first, save ourselves a headache in the long run. So for the first one, we've got 2 root 18. That can be simplified because 18 breaks down to 9 times 2. Take out that 9, bring it outside so you have 3 times 2. With 27, that breaks down to 9 times 3. This can be brought out, that's a 3 now. So what you're left with is 6 root 2 minus 3 root 3. Now let's do this problem with our simplified version. Alright, going through the various stages of FOIL, first off, you're going to have 6 root 2 times by 6 root 2. So that's going to be 36 root 4. I know 4 is a perfect square, we'll leave that one for now. On the outside, you have 6 root 2 times a negative 3 root 3. So that's going to be negative 18 root 6. On the inside, you're going to have negative 3 root 3 times by a 6 root 2. That's going to give you negative 18 root 6. And last, you have negative 3 root 3 times by a negative 3 root 3. That's going to be a positive 9 root 9. Simplifying this square root of 4 is just 2, so you're going to be multiplying that 36 by 2. That's going to be 72. You can collect these two together. What you're going to be left with is negative 36 root 6. And last, this 9 is a perfect square. You can bring that out. That's going to be 3 times 9 on the outside. So that's going to be 27. Collecting your like terms, you have 72 plus 27. That's 99. It's going to be 99 minus 36 root 6. That's your final answer.